Hello, Luca. Ciao.
Hello. So it's
Hello.
tech talk.
I know you're out of time. Yes, be part of it. I know you're out of time. I'm gonna try to be as fast as possible. We have two reporters, new reporters last week to one of our biggest circles, biggest department, one of ours. One is SOFA and one is Route 9 in Bologna. Our office is in Bologna. So if we can invite quickly on stage Marco and Gaia, per favore.
Hi. Hello. Gaia. Hello, Marco.
Hello, guys. So briefly, we're going to talk about the articles you guys published on floatingpoint.sorint.com. And then I have a surprise for you both. It's gonna make your face so red. Let's keep it until the end of the episode. So let's start with the ladies. Ladies first. Gaia, you attended the ARCA event last month with your circle.
Yes.
All the UI UX in Sorint, I guess they attended. Tell us more,
Yes,
please.
only the UI UX team. We were all there.
What happened? How was it? There was key takeaways?
Yeah, there was a lot of conference talking about the last technologies, about UI UX background. So it was glad to listen to all other companies represent talking about new stuff. So yes, it was interesting.
It was a one-day event, right?
Yes, it was one day.
In Milan, and all our people made it, and you attended a lot of conferences. You also wrote an article. I would like to invite people to read it to know more details. They covered AI and UI UX. They covered documentation. They covered testing, quick wins, techniques. As we said, we're going to go quickly. So please, I would like to invite everyone to read it. Marco also wrote another article.
Floating Point.
Floatingpoint.sorint.it.
Okay, thank you.
Marco, you have Route 9 behind you.
Yeah.
I think you're a big fan of your circle. You also wrote an article inviting people to visit Bologna this summer. Not the best time to visit Central Italy, but tell us more, please.
Yeah, I wrote an article just a few days ago because when I joined Circle, I don't know nothing about my circle, and after my circle leader in last few days assigned to me the reporter role, and after I decided with Moab to write something about Route 9 because in Sorint it's seemed to a ghost circle because our reporter didn't write nothing in this year.
Yes, it was one of the circles that didn't have a reporter. And for people watching outside Sorint, a reporter is a role in every department/circle that has a responsibility of communicating between different departments and sharing news. So Marco had this opportunity very lately, and he already gave us a very good introduction about his circle so people can read and know more.
Your communication, sorry, Mohammed, the communication is very important because you have to be focused on what is important. So you have to understand how is Sorint moving in the market and so on, and also to get aligned. So to know not only what is your circle purpose and so on, but also the other circle what's going on everywhere in Sorint, not only in Italy but everywhere. So this is for the focus and the alignment is very important.
Thank you. Would like to know any news? Yeah, perfect. If you need to any news between circle, the easiest way is to ask the reporter who does this. Do you do this? It's a way of communication. The circle does malware development, storage, monitoring, PM. They are also part of SORINT for School initiative. My surprise starts here. When we were preparing the episode, Gaia and Marco, by the way, they are both joined SORINT through SORINT for School, SORINT Summer Campus, SORINT Summer Campus. They both told me the big boss of this activity, Michele Finazzi, he's the brand activation manager or director in SORINT. They were like, I don't even think Michele knows my name. I directly spoke with Michele, guys, and he knows you very good. He knows everything, your full name, the case that Marco knows. He knows where you are right now, where you're working in SORINT. He knows everything. Can we invite Michele 1 second here, please?
Surprise!
Ciao, Michele.
Hello.
So you did know more than the guys think, huh? You know your chickens are really good.
But not only me. We know very well the guys. I work also in people, so we know we are watching all.
But you see a lot of
Big Brother. So
when we call, sorry, Michele, when we call it the people development circle, is because we not only we put the people at the center, so the people is very important. We try to do our best, obviously, but this is very important for us.
I was surprised. I was really surprised that Michele knew everything about you guys. So Michele, tell us very quickly about SORINT Summer Campus this year. What is happening? How many versions are happening?
Yes, the SORINT Summer Campus, it's a 2 weeks program where we welcome students and enthusiasts about IT for an immersive technology experience at our office in Grassobbio. This year, we have 25 participants accepted for the July session, and we were currently conducting the interviews for the September session.
And 80 registered.
So far, we have received around 80 applications for the campus, so big selection. And starting in the middle of July, the 2 classrooms in Grassobbio, in Aula Nord and Aula Sud, will be filled with enthusiastic teenagers to engage in this experience. And I'm hopeful that among them, we will find the future Sorintians and new colleagues. So,
and the new IT talents, not only Sorintians.
Yes, and I'm very happy to see that people we find with the campus are in this success story. We are listening in this. Yes, it's Friday, so I'm very happy.
I'm sure you're very proud. Yeah.
During these 2 weeks, we speak about technology. The topics are Java, Linux, Scrum, Oracle, Docker, Kubernetes, VMware, AWS, Azure, networking, security. And I would like to extend my gratitude to the colleagues who have volunteered to be teachers in this experience, that are Simone Rossi, Adriano Bertesago, Nunzio Gagliardi, Sereno Balestra, Matteo Bonanomi, Davide Chinni, Eugenio Desideri, Paolo Gatti, Denis Dalmolin, and Maurizio Pagani.
I hope I didn't forget anything.
Special thanks also to the colleagues who spend here promoting the campus in school, to Global Academia for creating the technical track, to Asset People, Welcome, Stefano Martino, Booking, Staffing. Everyone is contributing to the success of the event, that it's not Michele Finazzi, it's SORINT that want this event a lot.
No, chapeau to you and your team. But I want to know something. Marco is in Bologna. He needs to come to Grassobbio for 2 weeks. What does SORINT offer? What do we offer? Like these young talents?
Marco, please speak.
No, okay, Marco. What did SORINT offer you, Marco? Like, how did you pack your bag?
When I went in Grassobbio for the SORINT campus, SORINT provided me an apartment in
accommodation.
Accommodation near to the office, and after a personal computer, because
to work on, of course.
To work in the campus, and after
the transportation, for example. They pay
if I want to move to the accommodation, from the accommodation to the office, I need a transport, and SORINT give me a transport.
And from Bologna to Bergamo?
I went with my parents.
Oh, okay.
From Bologna to Bergamo.
Yes. If in the interviews we understand that it's very important for us to know Marco or other colleagues, we find a way to have Marco and other participants or colleagues in Bergamo. It's sure. So after the interview.
So from all over Italy, we are able to bring anyone, and outside Italy, can we bring someone from outside Italy?
If they are talent.
If they got accepted?
Italy, yes, outside of Italy, we can think about that.
And we are developing the links with the schools and everything, so it's not so easy. But I want only to say that these are the success of these initiatives, so Hackers and then Campus and so on, is because we are investing a lot. All the people involved are very passionate, but also the value given to the students is very high, because Michele mentioned all the teachers that are well known in the IT sector in Italy, because they are architects, the high-level architects. So the value that we provide to the guys, it's very important. Also, for us, it's important to evaluate the talent for the students. And also, but I was impressed because Michele defined the campus like a tech experience that is real, to have a lot of a sort of experience. So to have a lot of contribution from different fields is something, it's not confusing, it's orienting the guys. So it's very important.
You also help us to choose which field you want. A guy is working in UI, UX, Marco is working in Red Hat.
And not only your field for work forever in the life, but to understand all the fields in the IT sector, also to understand, to choose the first one. So where to start from. So this is very important.
I'll ask you this question, Luca. I couldn't get an answer yet. Is this the 10th edition of SORINT Summer Campus? This year is the 10th edition. Not sure.
Idea.
It's kind of vague. It's kind of vague yet. If you're watching,
it's a lot of time. It's a lot of time that we organized because we were also very. This is a matter of vision also in the market. We understood that there will be a problem in the IT sector, and we were
recruiting.
Yeah, the recruitment, the lack of talented guys, and so on. This is very true, but we try to start before everyone else. So we try to start from the schools. So it's something, because also the campus and Hackergen, now they are a community, a well-known community. The value expressed inside the community is well known in the schools right now. So we try to do everything a long time ago, because we know that after what there will be a problem,
a shortage in the manpower or the skilled people. We're not going to talk about
less affected than the others from the lack of the talented.
Of course. We're not going to talk about Hackergen. It's a big initiative to be covered very quickly here. Please, if you're watching this episode on YouTube now, you're going to find a QR code which you can register for SORINT Summer Campus anytime during the year, and Michele and his team would take care of the rest or the process. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Michele, so much for coming today and surprising the guy. Thank you, Marco and Guy. I hope this wasn't so much, but I was right. Michele does know his chickens. And thank you, Luca. That was all for today.
Thank you, Moab. Thank you to everyone, Marco, Gaia, Michele.
Thank you.